So we're going to break down exactly what happened in the stock market today. Why did the price come down, and how could we have caught some opportunities to make some money? So we're looking at the SPY in this picture. This is the 4-hour chart. And before we dive in deep, we're going to just show just some examples of what our members did today. We're going to take Tony, for example. We made $272 using SPY put options. So congrats to Tony. And inside of my Discord is where I share my daily analysis. All right, so we're going to dive into that right now, starting with this 4-hour chart. So I start off by drawing my levels that I believe are important. Now we have some support, we have some resistance, and this is what gives me my range for the day, for the situation. And I also draw demand zones and supply zones to help me understand what's going on. So first things first, in the morning, I seen we was below this support, meaning we could drop further down. Where could we drop further down to? Into this demand zone. All right, so that's what I told the team this morning. We close under this level, meaning we have validation to travel lower to this 677.30 level, and this was at 9:25 this morning before the market opened. Now I did say we could travel upwards as a pullback before we push down, so be aware of both directions. And I always share that nice screenshot so you guys don't gotta go looking all over the place in case you're working or anything. All right, so that's good study material if you're in the community to go back and see what I posted. All right, so this is the bigger picture, the 4-hour, and we're gonna dive into the 15-minute chart, and we can see we have another zone drawn right there. I'm gonna circle this so you can see where I got that from. Now the market opened on this candle here. All right, so all this action was pre-market, so the market was already coming down. But when the market opened here, we actually pushed up. And where did we push up to? This supply zone that we have there, tapped it, and then we started to trend downwards. So as the day was going, I keep the Discord community in alignment with what's happening. So what did I say at this point? We got that slight pullback to the upside before the drop, and we're expecting, I can't even read what the hell I even wrote. We got that slight pullback to the upside before the drop we expected during the overall drop downtrend. So this is the price going down, and I'm letting the team know this is what we expected to happen. This is 679 where the price is at, and then we eventually drop down to 676. All right, so this is what we prepared for in the morning, and we just had to let the price action play out. All right, so I'm gonna just draw what was going on. This was the area right there when I called out the update. Now if you didn't catch the market there at the top, then the break below this level would have been your second opportunity. All right, and there are also other opportunities if you use the lower time frames, but not getting too deep into the analysis. We're just gonna summarize everything, and as the viewer, you could see how we started at the top there and we trended down to this lower zone, which is what we called out in the Discord. So not getting too deep into the analysis, I just wanted to update you guys on what the SPY did, and it's not really as random as you think once you understand how to draw the proper zones and how to wait for the price action to tell you what to do. All right, so this is gonna be it. Congrats to Tony, did a great job, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.